Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with RhinestoneWorld.com. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you with one of our new designs how to create an awesome heart like this. So you can see here I used the red strip flock with the white glitter. On the back side, I used the white glitter with the football leather. But we also created these designs where you can add some stones around it and then also fill in these dead areas here to give you many options with the design. So we're using our 16 by 20 Hotronix autoclam here. I got one of my bling book pages and I'm going to do the softball design. Now with the softball design, I'm going to use the red strip flock. I'm going to use our black silver glitter. And then I'm also going to use our fluorescent yellow Easyweed and some of our crystal AB stones. So you can see it's going to be a 4-step process here. So what I'm going to do is, let's move these out of the way. We're always going to press the stones last. I'm going to start with my yellow here. And we got our strip flock, and then we have our glitter. So I want to take the furthest outside part of the design. So this goes out a little bit wider. So I'm actually going to start with my black silver. So again, we aren't going to go for the full recommended time and temperature on the first one, because we just wanted to get that adhesion to the actual garment or shirt or product that we're placing it to. In this case, it's the Bling Anything page or the Bling book page. So we're just going to drop this down. And I'm going to go for about 3 seconds there. Let me decrease my pressure a little bit. We should be good to go. And you can see a nice hot peel. Pull that off. That's good to go there. Now I'm actually going to come back with my fluorescent yellow. And I'm just going to line this up. So we do have a little gap in between it. And what that's going to do is it's going to give a pretty cool look, as far as just to make it jump out a little bit more. You can see how it's doing that. So to line it up, you're just going to pay attention and try and get the same amount of spacing. You can see I have between the A and the L and the T, everything around here. So that looks awesome. Fluorescent yellow is a really cool color for the softball colors. So I'm going to drop this down. Again, I'm going to only go about 3 to 4 seconds there. And that should be enough. And this design is looking pretty sweet and starting to come together here. Next one we have is our red strip flock. So again, just going to line it up so we have the actual garment, or in this case the Bling book page, showing through a little bit. Everything looks awesome there, looks lined up nice. Now I do have some of my glitter and my fluorescent yellow exposed here, so I am going to want to use a protective cover sheet this time. So I'm going to grab my protective cover sheet here, and let's go ahead and cover this up. And I'm going to press. Now I'm going to go for the full recommended time and temperature this time, because the last one is going to be the actual stones. Alright, so we're going to pull this up here. And again, with the strip flock, we can just peel it right off. And check out how awesome this design's looking already. So we have our red strip flock, we have our fluorescent yellow, we have our black silver glitter that not a lot of people really know about how great it looks. But it doesn't jump out as much, doesn't take away from our fluorescent yellow, but still has a good contrast on this black bling page. Now the last thing we're going to do is just add a little something else to it. This could be a finished design. This could also be a car decal as well if you use some of our FDC sign vinyl. But what we can also do is we can use the rhinestones on it as well. It's going to add more to the design and allow you to upsell it. So let's go ahead and get our heart lined up here. Okay, heart's looking good there. Now the cool thing is, with all of these designs, we actually created the heart and the rhinestone template to fit all of the different hearts. So I'm going to go down now. Again, with the rhinestones, you do need to go down for this full 15 seconds because you do need to activate the glue on the back of the stones. But we needed to press the heat transfer vinyl for that last color for the full amount to make sure that it got the right pressure from the actual press. So we're all good there. Stones are on. We're going to start peeling this off here. You can see everything's down perfect. It's a nice hot peel there. And we have a finished product here. So again, we have our fluorescent yellow, we have our red strip flock, our black silver glitter, and then some of our awesome crystal AB stones. So pretty awesome shirt here that you have many options with the design on the website. It is a download file. We do have different sports, but you can choose not to use the black silver if you want. You can choose not to use the rhinestones. You can do no black silver and just rhinestones. So a bunch of different options, also for vinyl car decals as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Let us know what you think of the video. Comment below on the YouTube channel here. Let us know what you think of the design, what you think of the different products. We're also going to put a link to each of the heat transfer vinyls and the stones we used in this video, so you can find them easy on our website. But if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the Rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have a great day.